chicken? It looks like it's deeper and straight in front of you. That's deep. It was pretty deep. Deeper than I thought, especially with as wide out as I went before I got my turn initiated.
Tyler, what are we doing on your bike now? We just started the ride. We got like a problem?
Yep.
So we're going through Mini Carl's dinner over here and smacked the radiator, actually smacked the pipe.
No,
the radiator.
it smacked right here. You can see where it took a
The plastic
groove out and it pushed, and I swear this is a design flaw in the KTMs because it happened on my 300.
Design flaw.
And it pushes the radiator back in
To the hose?
to the, well, all this stuff, and it can kink this 90.
Because
The thing is
twice.
the thing is even if you have radiator guard, it's not a radiator guard issue. Because if you had a radiator guard,
It still pushes
it back.
So the radiator guard doesn't help that. So we're gonna reapply that hose because it's got a little pinch in it. And we should be good to
Unless
go.
you have a brace across from one to the other.
Are we going to be stopping every 30 yards to fix your bike?
Now we're good.
He's over there programming his thermostat. Goodness. No, he just pinched off the radiator, hit a rock up right at the radiator, and it pushed it back, the radiator, and then it pinched his hose clamp screw, or the screw right behind that, pinched the freaking hose clamp, not the hose clamp, the hose, radiator hose, and put a little tear in it. So we spent some time there, moved the clamp back, put some tape on it, try to get it back into, so that it, you know, it will hold coolant, because we've just kind of started the day here. It's all uphill back to the truck if we were to turn around. We've got extra parts and extra bikes and stuff back at the truck for that very reason, in case we have some issue we can't solve out here, because we're in a very remote area. It's a 6-hour drive to get where we are. So we brought a bunch of parts and some extra bikes just in case, but I think that one's gonna be okay. And so then, since he runs a Trail Tech fan on that, normally he's been having the fan come on at like a higher temperature, like 185. What he decided to do there was just program the fan to kick on at 165 The idea being we'll keep the temperature lower to keep maybe a little less pressure on those hoses. That's the theory anyway. I think it's worthwhile to do. I haven't put a fan on this bike, but I'm going to, because this is my 2020 250XE TPI, and these things run a little hotter because they're lean on the fuel to air mixture. They don't run a ton of fuel, and that makes the bike run hotter temperature. So anyway, that bike he's on is a 2019 250XE. It's running Electron Carb, but we were giving him crap back there. Tyler rides hard. He was pushing it faster and harder than I was through that little mini Carl's dinner area, boulder field, and hit the radiator on one of those boulders. And no radiator guards wouldn't have helped because it pinched the tube on the back of the radiator. Back bottom. Anyway, this trail is sweet. We're on the side of the canyon here. We've got the river down below us. Sometimes we're close to it, sometimes we're up high. But it's just awesome, flowing, fast single track right here. Oh, G out into the bottom of that. How's it look?
Oh, I think that was okay. I just saw something. I think it was dust. So
okay.
It looks good. It's keeping cool and.
I'm not smelling it.
Yeah. Yeah, this is awesome,
dude.
Good.
No, you go. So now we're right down by the creek. You get down here very far, then you get in these little boulder sections like that. That one wasn't like some of the ones we've just come through. Fun, up and down, sweeping turns. Oh, this is epic. If the dirt was just, if we had a little moisture in this dirt, it would be tons of traction. It's a little dusty, but it's not as bad as I was thinking. Obviously, I'm in the lead right now, so there's no dust. But when you're following somebody, it's less dusty than I thought it might be.